Guys, I have spent 25k rupees on my bike in August 2017, and you won't believe, within 9 months I have recovered all my money back, and the saving process is still going on because of this bike. So today I will tell you 10 ways as how you can save your money through cycling. Coming up. Hey guys, what's up? This is Raghav Charural. Welcome to my channel. Hope you start thinking towards your health and environment. So if you are new to this channel, consider subscribe. So let's jump into the video. Guys, just like second-hand car and second-hand motorbike, you can buy a second-hand bicycle as well, because like new car and motorbike, these bicycles depreciate quickly once roll off the bike store. But as long as they are well cared for, they can provide many years of top tier performances. But if your finance does not stretch to buy a new model, then you can buy a second-hand model. First time buyer should pick one up from a bicycle store rather than over internet. I have already made a video on how to buy a used bicycle, so you can check out the same as well. I will mention the link at the end of the video. Guys, if you don't like a second-hand bicycle, then you can buy an unused bicycle that is not a current year model, but you can get a decent discount in local bike shop or online in previous year model. There is not a major difference between current year and a previous year model. It might be some cosmetic change like color change or maybe weight management, depend on the bicycle model. So it's better to do some research before buying any bicycle. It is important to think about what you want to do with your bicycle and where you will be going, because the best bicycle for you totally depend on your decision. Whether you want to commute to work, get muddy thrills in the countryside, or go on long road rides, there is a bicycle that can do that. I have already made a video which bike should I buy, so I will mention the link at the end of the video so you can also check the same. Guys, for major overhaul or big repair, take your bicycle to your local cycle store. But do the little stuff yourself. Doing your own bike maintenance can help you save money. Start by cleaning your bike and lubing key component on a regular basis. This alone will prevent many mechanical issues. Periodically check bolts to make sure that they are properly tightened, and learn how to replace inner tube, brake pads and cable, which typically needs to be done once in a 3 months or more, and will breathe new life into your bicycle. Guys, if you use your own vehicle or public transport like metro or cab, then you can save many hundred of rupees per year by swapping them for a bicycle, because cyclists have a much better, clearer idea of when they are going to arrive at their destination, as they don't find themselves getting caught up in traffic jam or held up by a metro delay. So if you have a bicycle at home, then start using to commute and feel the difference. Everybody knows, guys, fuel is a major cost for everyone. If fuel is 70 rupees and your motorcycle gets 35 km per liter, you will be paying 2 rupees per liter for your fuel alone. But for your bicycle, you won't have to worry about filling up. Just imagine, guys, how much we can save per month if we start to commute on bicycle. Guys, if you live or work in an urban area, then you know what a nightmare parking can be. Not to mention how much damage it can do to your wallet day after day. One of the great things about commuting by bicycle is that you can park pretty much anywhere. In some situations, you may even able to take your bicycle inside with you. And the best part is, no matter where you park your bicycle, it's free. This is no joke, guys. Just use your bicycle for short journeys. If you use your car for short journeys, you could be shortening the engine life. Driving car for short distance, then turning off the engine means the engine oil never heats up to the right temperature and fail to lubricate the moving component and can cause unnecessary wear and tear on your car. So the less you use your car, the less chance it will get bumps and scraps. And of course, when the times to come to sell that car, the lower the mileage and damage, the higher the sale value. Guys, most gym membership cost more than 2000 rupees per month. But if you are riding your bicycle most days of the week, then you won't need a gym membership. Cycling is a great cardio workout that can burn some major calories. As an example, a 70 kg person cycling at an average speed of 22 km per hour will burn almost 300 calories in less than half an hour. Plus, by combining transportation and exercise, you will be saving timing too. Guys, our body simply works when we are physically fit, which saves on healthcare as well. It estimated that just 30 minutes of biking per day can save thousands of rupees per year in healthcare costs. So as always, I am telling you, do cycling for better health and better environment. So guys, these were my 10 ways through which you can save your money through cycling. So if you find this topic interesting, then do hit the like button, comment if you have any query, and also please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So as I mentioned earlier, these are the links through which you can take the reference for buying a used bike or a new bike. So that's it for now guys. This is Rider Charul signing off.